Okay. So sorry, class disconnected. Here, this red color, deviation is more, risk is very high, quality is very less. How do you know? Without this, by harmonic mean also you can guess it. Okay. So this all the parts belongs to central tendency only. This three is belongs to dispersions only. So when I'm taking jet score, the jet score is clearly saying this is extreme deposited people. So in income tax, this kind of analysis done by income tax department last demonetization time. So they started depositing through drivers and their servants and their landlubbers and etc etc. End of the day, it's reaching to their account only. So so the Reserve Bank of India collecting all the information now. So unique account, the bank may be different, PAN card is different, PAN card is similar. So they're collecting all the PAN card is a primary key. With the help of the primary key, when they sort out, these people are mummies, devils. Okay. So how to do this? So as per Mrutyunjay previously, this is outline. But as for me, he is the money lending persons. As for me, they're the landlord people. They're illegal people. Okay. Or else they're extreme money generated people. Yes. So what to do this one? These 40 members are disturbing other data. Disturbing other data. So now insert histogram. This entire data. This is called skewed data. Histogram skewed data. We are not coming into the skewness and kurtosis. In Python, I showed skewness kurtosis values. We'll come back. Slowly we can come. At the same time, other graph you are generating, which, uh, which is a box plot. This one. First, we are doing small automation of this data. Okay, guys. In Excel, for generating dashboards, right click, make a group. Make a group. This is very less quality. Harmonic mean is different, arithmetic mean is different. Now, I'm going to remove all, not removing, I'm separating this data to writing or restudy or anything. In real-time industry, outlier data is most important. Srikant, can you give me answer how outlier data is most important? Anybody can say answer for my question? The most important data is outlier.
Because it is sort of anomaly in the data. Either it is significantly important or
Yes.
we have to ignore that.
So everybody is normal. Why this people is abnormal? Got it? Hemoglobin 12 is a normal. 12, 11, 10, 11, 14. Somebody having 5, 4, 3. Definitely he is outlier. Outlier means there are patients. No blood. Hemoglobin 40, 12 is a common. But somebody having hemoglobin 2, there are outliers. You decide whether they are patients. Like this data also separated. You have to do research. Research or writing, whatever it is, it depends upon your domain. Down to here. shift cell up. Okay. When I shifted my CV little reduced, this is little increased. Still outlier is there because recalculating. This is recalculating. 19 lakhs. This is little. So like again outliers are there. Again outliers are there. It is little increase. Again outliers are there. Please notice me whether I'm doing right thing or wrong thing. Srikanth, can I get answer from you? Whatever I'm doing, still I'm getting outliers. Still I'm getting outliers. Again, I got outliers. You know why I'm getting outliers? If you remove it, again outliers will come. Don't do such kind of things. ఓకేనా నేనే ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తున్నాను నేనే రాంగ్ చెప్తున్నాను. If you're getting lot of values like this, if low values are dominating in your data, low values are dominating your data, you please focus on this data because mode is 100. Most of the values belongs to, then it's all small. Either scheme, some scheme is there. Through the scheme, many people deposited cash. So now, don't stop this. Again, take the data. Take the data. Outlier is not a big solution. Okay, first.
जाना है रोज है बोल के बोला ना रोज बोलना
Every time you are getting outliers means it's not a good thing. One experiment I did, I failed. Then go for the reverse experiment. This one. Harmonic mean. So, first iteration successfully I remove, it makes sense. But second also it is giving same outliers now. This is outliers now. I don't want to remove. Then I will go for reverse data. One step is low to high, another step is high to low. When I'm taking high to low, I got 200, 200, 200, which is not close to mean, which is belongs to harmonic mean. You try to remove these values. See, suddenly jumping is there. Suddenly a lot of difference is there. 2000. Up to your particular domain knowledge, you remove it.
But sir, one question, but they are not detected as outliers, right? So
Yes.
how we can remove that?
So, because it's close to harmonic mean values. Okay, na? Your mode is 700, na? Where is the 25 lakhs? Where is the 700? Yes, big change. So, completely you are researching on the data, then little improvement is there. Little improvement is there. But I didn't remove outliers. It's not showing as outliers. But data quality is not good for building a model because lower values are dominating your data. Now it's somewhat better now. Still it is there, but it's not outlier. It's not outlier. So outlier is a plus or minus 1.96, but still without outliers. Why I'm removing this one? Because higher values, lower values, both are there. Both are there. That is the reason for removing some values. Yes, please.
Mean and harmonic mean should be almost equal.
It is a 60,000. It is a 7 lakhs. Yes. For making a proper data quality, for improving this one. If you are increasing this one, your data quality is increasing. At the same time, this chart also make sense into normal. Two more techniques I'm entering. Yes.
lower value remove చేస్తే mean పెరుగుతుంది కదా సార్.
Mean peragadu because the mean is taking higher importance always.
Number of values తగ్గిపోతే higher values ఎక్కువ ఉంటే mean పెరుగుతుంది కదా సార్.
No, because the mean is taking as an average. It's not showing impact on the lower values, but it's showing impact on harmonic mean. Why? Because it's considering a low values, it is considering as a high values.
No, sir. Mean is total by number of
Total number of
total by number of తగ్గిస్తే total కి పెద్ద చేంజ్ ఉండదు కదా సార్ lower
that
values.
no, that is our thinking only. You see here 10,000, 45. You focus on mean and harmonic mean, how much changes happening you can. It is there, but how much? సముద్రంలో చిన్న
మొత్తం
ఇసుక రేణు అంతా
మొత్తం డిలీట్ చేస్తే వేరే వస్తుంది.
ఏది
అది ఆ వాల్యూ అనేది తీసేస్తే వేరే వస్తుంది.
definitely it is there because it's a large values na. In large values 700 is somewhere ఎక్కడో ఉంది. Its changes has been happened, but it's not recognizable happening because it's the highest value, this is the least value. Same way here also it is a lakhs, it is a hundreds. 677 lakhs low, 6,000 is a nothing. So that's why it's not showing much difference. It is a harmonic mean is a very small value, na. That's why it's showing it's a much difference. It's showing much difference. So like you can do the data validation with central tendency and dispersion sense. So now, Mrutyunjay, I will come to your question. Venkat, this is not outlier, then why you are removing this one?
Yeah, we need to.
Yes. Now I'm resetting the data.
Still we can't. Takes more time to remove the.
Yes. Present, there is no outliers. Present, there is no outliers. The box plus it is saying no outliers. I can believe the data. If you build a model, you will get the proper result. Okay. But one side result only you are getting because your data is a skewness. That is the answer for your question.
But the data is not good data, right?
Not good. It's good.
About that.
Yes. How it is good, I will explain again. If it's following bell shape,
Very good.
then good. If it's following bell shape, oh, please guys.
Draw
Draw kada?
text.
We'll take pencil or something.
Select this.
Oh. This is
Good data.
good data.
But here is not.
That is the previous class. But this data also good. This data also good. How can you decide this data is good? One more technique is there. You have to follow one more technique. So that is skewness kurtosis. Please note down the point. Skewness must be 0.80. That is the rules. Plus or minus 80. Kurtosis plus or minus 3. If the data is following these two values, I'm considering this data to model. Srikanth, please take care about this. This data is not following histogram. It is a skewed data, either left skewed or right skewed. For explaining the left skewed, right skewed, again I have to reach the 5-number summary analysis. The 5-number summary analysis, dispersion technique is there. Yesterday I showed you the dispersion techniques now. Sorry, distribution techniques. I have to reach the distribution techniques. So here skewness of my data, kurtosis of my data is good. Is good. Okay. So again, question mark. Data qualities is less, but skewness kurtosis is in my control because there is no outlier. That is the reason for your data is showing skewness. This data I can use for further modeling for getting a optimum result. Got it? But I'm pasting these values, guys. Murtunjay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I'm pasting those values. Got it?
Yeah.
I'm pasting those values. Outliers is there. This is a 0.08 now, but exceeded. I'm not believing this data again. I'm not going to believe this data. Can you differentiate both the analysis, previous one, this one? Previous data I'm accepting even the outliers. This data I'm not accepting because skewness is more, because outliers are less. Now I will remove this data. I removed this data. It's my control. No outliers. Sorry, no box plot outliers. But as per the Z scores, there is a outliers. This outliers I'm keeping, which means it's not impacting on my overall data. It's not impacting on my overall data. If I remove this, still no outlier, still skewness is control, only data quality little improved. Other than what I got additionally. Clear?
Yeah.
So this data, even non-outlier also, outlier also I'm considering. But this data is not considering because I'm not saying your clearly techniques are saying. Your skewness kurtosis are saying.
Yes.
Okay. So now I'm going back to little explanation about the skewness and kurtosis. This time, Srikanth, can you unmute? Same IAM structure. So randomly they're taking every time. So Srikanth, can you come again? Is it audible, Srikanth?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now, why can't you raise the questions from the discussion? There is outliers, but I removed that outliers. There is outliers, but I not removed the outliers. On what basis? Because of the skewness, because of the box plot, because of the kurtosis. Okay. So if you go for the hospital, one test is different, another test is different. The lab reports, but the doctor will take a decision on overall reports. That is the important. One can be different, but what is the overall behavior?
They can ask that when we can go further.
Yes, explanation. See how I explained why I'm removing, I given justification. Why I'm not giving, why I'm not removing, I given justification. Justification is important for your study analysis. Okay, so cognizant, advanced material, case study. I'm going to show one article to you to concluding of this explanation. Where this 0.80, on what basis decided this 0.80, Srikanth?
0.90, 3.30.
Sorry, this is a 0.80. On what basis I'm saying it is 8? On what basis I'm saying it's 8? This is linked with leptocortex, plateaucortex. No material is available, but no standard books, some books only available. At the same time, some top university articles, North Carolina State University means the SAS is born in this university, the world top ranking university in the world, the first data science course launched in this university. First data science course launched in this university only. Okay, now how to improve the data quality? See, without study, you never get anything because we studied, not studied. Some professor recommended for doing this kind of analysis. You refer this article, you can get it. How to improve one variable violating assumption of the normality. Srikanth, can you read this one? Yellow color.
These tools range from simple explanation of skew between minus 0.80 and 80, closer to 0.00
This is good data.
is
Is
better.
it exceeded?
It is not a good data.
Violating
Is
the
closer to-
normality. Violating assumption of the normality. Anybody can say this is wrong? If your project manager saying, okay, Srikanth, what you're doing, it's wrong. Somebody is saying wrong, you can show this article is referred by these many references. They are also wrong. Right, Srikanth? Right, Mrityunjay? They are also wrong. Then who is right? You are the right? Python program is right? Or whoever having employee, he's the right? No. This is research article. They proved the good data is looks like this, the bad data is looks like this. So that's why some professors can say skewness 1, but there is a clear evidence for you, plus or minus 0.80. Kurtosis 3, 3.30. It's good data. Now the both are having under control. So that's why I'm saying it's good data. When I copied these values, it's exceeded now. That's why I'm not saying it's good data. I'm not saying it's good data. Then what is the skewness? Harmonic mean, lower importance values. Geometric mean, compound interest rate. Trimmed mean, always 5% you can trim it. What is the skewness and kurtosis? Just I conveyed plus or minus 0.803. But why it is, how it is, when it is, just when we are reaching distribution classes, I can give the clarity. Now, only keep it in your minds. So now, this is the time to show this is Python machine learning algorithm result. Okay. Mr. Srikanth, are you there?
Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, sir. I'm here.
What about this?
It is not.
Skewness. There is no
good data.
separate calculation.
Yes.
That is also skewness. This is also skewness. Now I will give you the formula of the skewness. Do you know the Z score? Z whole cube by N.
Okay.
Z whole cube by N. So you're cubing all the Z score values, that is the outliers. So indirectly, I focused on Z score only. When I cubic, it's saying it's not outliers. Now I will go back to Mrityunjay question. Mrityunjay, plus or minus 2, I consider as an outlier. At the same time, in this data, plus or minus 2 is there, but I'm not considering as a outliers because I transformed this data. When I'm transforming this data, it is not saying as a outliers. I did a transformation. What transformation? You know why the skewness? Skewness is x minus x bar by standard deviation of cube is skewness. Then z score x minus x bar by standard deviation. See, instead of all this, remember only three techniques. Don't go for all this cinema story. Skewness, z score, kurtosis. But what I explained, how did you get the skewness? I showed it right now. Okay, na? So this article is saying, title is normality of the transformation. Can you understand? I did a transformation of z score. The transformation is saying there is no outliers. You can proceed the data. You can proceed the data. So this is simple explanation. Paint. Srikanth, are you there? This is normal distribution. It's a normal distribution. The mean, median, mode, when it is similar, your data is good. It is a normal distribution. In this case, your skewness kurtosis will be 0. In this case, in some other cases, plus or minus 80. If it's exceeded 80, it's a bad data. If it's exceeded 80, it's a bad data. So what is the skewness? Left skewed, right skewed means, yes, you make half of this. One is a left skewed, another one is a right skewed. So your data can follow either like this, either like this. Got it? So now I'm giving much clarity. This is the two things. Your data can follow like this. Your data can follow like this. If you combine both together, it's a normal distribution. Okay, na? That is the answer of your question. Right? Now, I'm closing this. I'm closing this. I'm closing all. whatever the case study I given to you, I'm focusing on the case study again. So explain something, again focusing on few questions. How many questions we fulfilled as on time, you decide yourself. Guys, this too we can. Guys, we can do this one. I never opened this one. Now you can conclude the business questions. Now question is available in Google. So whatever I created, simply you can analyze it. Create a DQ of this variable. If data is not good, generate a Z score. Highlight 1.96. That also we know. Okay. Apply distribution techniques. Good data, bad data. Apply distribution, identify whether skewed data or curtaceous data. 6 questions I fulfilled as on time. Got it? So now, Srikant, can you go for unmute once again?
Yes, sir.
Don't go for mute until finishing my session. There is a powerful tool, Rattle. I'm going to open it right now. Okay. This tool.
So this is not R Studio.
So many tools, new tools are there. R only. R is a old solution type.
Okay.
Okay, na? It's a blockbuster. Not now. Previously. Now smart tools are there. 2020 tools. See, the evidence is here. You can ask me why you are following this tool. Toppers are following. I'm also following. Competitor for the Python. Python is a powerful snake. Rattle also powerful snake. In general terms, that is the reason for using Rattle. How many people are aware of this one? Ask your triple IT people, Srikant, how many people knows about the Rattle? If 5% people are saying, you can ask me. Venkat, many people knows it. Less people knows. This is the Rattle which I'm going to show. Now enjoy the cinema. I will show it now. I will make the show. Where it is. Load the package. It takes a lot of time. So there is existing tool. I will show to you. Apps. Yeah. ఏ టూల్లో ఉందబ్బా
Plugin for our
Plugins for R. It's very 2007 on 2010 onwards it is there, but only less people are using this one. All I told you, no, only premium institute, premium organizations who knows rich experience, they know, but they're not going to explore to you because you are becoming competitor. So 10 days analysis you can do within 1 hour. Just 1 hour is enough to fulfill your complete project. This is all the supporting libraries and packages for opening this Ratel. So installation is a process. I will show how to install this tool also. If you use the Ratel tool, you can finish your entire the project within hours, all the machine learning projects. Then you can cross-check your code for deployment purpose. Rio. Sydney, Rio కనిపిస్తుంది. చెప్పింది. It's preparing package for lazy loading.
With bread is kada. Bread is kada.
So still it's taking time to load it. We'll show it. Sydney, Rio తీయమ్మ ఒకసారి please.
Meanwhile, just a small question.
Please.
So out of a given data, let's assume we have a outlier and we are removing the outlier. Say like out of 100% data, we are removing like 10% of the outlier data.
Right.
Okay, and remaining 90%. And out of 90%, we will be trimming like 5%. Okay, so
Yes.
out of total 100%, we are removing like 15% of the data for the possible 85% of the data. If I prepare a model, so will that be a good prediction model?
Yes, 80% of the data is considering as 100% of your data.
Okay.
While you're taking data from the large database, you're making some controls for outliers. Then whatever the 80% you're taking from the database, 80%.
Okay.
For modeling purpose, it's 100%, which is a good data.
Okay.
So,
anything is above 80% is considered as good data.
Good data. So now the conditions how you are believing, you are the project manager. Sir, there is 100% data is in our database, but 80% data only accurate data. The remaining 15% is inaccurate data. If I consider this data, we won't get our prediction. If I consider this data, I will get the proper predictions. Tell me, you decide it now. So in research hand, always 5% data manipulation you can do, but not even 10% also. 5% always in our hands. If it exceeds 5%, you have to ask some, you took permission from somebody, because keep on removing is not our role.
Yeah.
Just a moment, I'm closing all these tools, then I will open it. Maybe still even yesterday also I opened, but I don't know what happens. Now all the tools uninstalled. Rattle, I'm unable to open it right now because I don't want to waste your time till only last chance. 3.4. No. 3.6. No. Sorry guys, it's uninstalled. I will install today, then I will show to tomorrow class. Maybe for last verse. Yes, just hold a second. Right here also not there. Okay, guys, it's uninstalled. Whatever I explained today's subject, how much it's easy in Rattle tool and Python tool, that is my intention to show it. Okay, so tomorrow class, I will do some practice based on today explanation class. So the summary of today class, we discussed about data quality techniques, harmonic mean, trimmed mean, skewness, kurtosis, Z-score. If outliers are available, how to take a decision. There is outliers, but how you are considering data. There is no outliers, how you are considering data. How this Z-score and skewness is linking with your box plot and histogram of your data quality. How all the values are stimulating at a time. That is our content today. Okay, tomorrow we are going for the deeper level of skewness and kurtosis. Right? So thank you. Thank you very much, guys. See you tomorrow class with the continuation of same class. Tomorrow onwards, more discussion. So this week and coming week, complete EDA part. Then I will start R programming and Python programming. Whenever you do the R programming, Python programming, you can implement this case studies in the tool. Okay, then probability class. Okay, na? So I will give you schedule tomorrow. What is our daily events? I will release the schedule tomorrow or day after tomorrow class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow. Thank you.